Welcome to the world of rugged performance and luxury refinement with the GMC Sierra. As a powerhouse in the truck market, the GMC Sierra combines robust capability with advanced technology and premium features. Here are some top 5 facts about GMC Sierra. For more interesting videos, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Fact number 1. The 2022 GMC Sierra received updates including new technology features and revised styling elements. Number 2. The Sierra AT4 trim continues to gain popularity for its off-road capability, featuring off-road suspension and all-terrain tires. Number 3. The Denali trim offers premium features and materials, representing the pinnacle of luxury within the Sierra lineup. Number 4. Recent Sierra models feature advanced technology like touchscreen infotainment systems, smartphone integration, and driver assistance features. Number 5. Innovative features like the Multipro Tailgate and optional Carbon Pro carbon fiber truck bed provide versatility, durability, and improved functionality for users.